Welcome to the AI News Update for June 13, 2023. Here are the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Starting off, AI-powered virtual assistants are now more advanced than ever. The latest models have enhanced natural language processing capabilities, making them more efficient at understanding and carrying out complex tasks. In healthcare, AI is being utilized to analyze medical images, making diagnoses more accurate and efficient. The technology is also being employed to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. In the world of finance, AI is revolutionizing the industry. Automated trading platforms using machine learning algorithms are outperforming human traders, delivering higher profits and minimizing risks. And finally, automated vehicles are gearing up for mass production. The latest models employ AI algorithms to analyze surroundings and make split-second decisions to ensure safety. That's it for today's iNews Update. Stay tuned for further developments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.